To register your customers in ODONTODOCS, go to the top menu Records. Customers. Next to the customer's name in the ODONTODOCS column, click Activate. Confirm the name of the customer or clinic that will use ODONTODOCS and their respective email address. When generating the access data, the user will receive an invitation by email with instructions to use the platform. Therefore, make sure to provide a valid email. You will also receive a WhatsApp notification confirming the customer registration, including their login and password. Make sure your WhatsApp number is correctly registered in Settings, Lab Information, so you can receive the corresponding service and login notifications. You can choose to hide or show this customer's financial data. Finally, click the green button, Generate Access Data.